You probably couldn't see from the other angle, but you should actually leave the tip about a quarter of an inch off the bottom. I mean, from the surface. And then you kind of let your drops fall as you're doing it. Don't like rub the tip right up against the surface. So, another way that you can make window clings if you don't have the gallery glass liquid leading in these bottles is you can buy puffy paint, fabric puffy paint, and use it for your outline because it produces a nice puffy border. You might have to poke something to get it started because once you've used it once, it does get dried in here. And then it'll work the same way as doing liquid leading. Okay, this has been drying for a bit, the liquid leading. Now I'm adding the color. Okay, this is what it looked like when it dried. A real quick note about color, make sure you put a lot of color on so that it's thick enough to be peeled off the plastic. And this might look pinkish, but it's going to dry a really nice red. And these little tubes here have sparkles in them. If you see any large bubbles, just take your tip of the nozzle and rotate around until you can pop those bubbles.